Hi guys, welcome back to Carte Cooking and our bonus round to the 12 cocktails of Christmas. Check this out. We really like this cocktail. It is a favorite of ours that we just kind of stumbled upon in the past month. Love it, and we could not include this, all right? That means we included it, bingo. This is what our producer loves to say, is the baker's dozen. It's the extra, it's the icing on top. It's the creme de la creme of all the cocktails. It's a little bit complicated of a cocktail. We literally so happen to have all the ingredients in our household. So this still stays with the theme of that we have in our house. You might not have everything, and that is okay.
What's this called?
This is called, oh, that's right. What is this called? This is also why it's a bonus round. Let's say you've got family over for Christmas and you got that one relative, might be an uncle, might be, who knows, right? Not saying our uncles are great. But maybe it's somebody and they got they have something to say. They always have something to say. This is the Witty Comeback. It's called the Witty Comeback. Now, I don't know if it's actually the drink that was named after somebody's comeback. I don't know, but it's a great name. And I think kind of a great bonus round to our 12 cocktails of Christmas. So this is the Witty Comeback. 2 ounces of whiskey, calls for rye, could use bourbon, whatever you want. 2 ounces of this. We're doing a 1/2 ounce of an Amaro. Amaro is an Italian-based liqueur, very herbal. You might hear Averna, very common Amaro. There's a bunch of other Amaros that you can just walk down the aisle. This one is by Luxardo. Great Amaro. Amaros, let's just kind of dial back for a quick second here, are very different. Each Amaro has its own flavor profile. An Amaro is an after dinner drink that traditionally in Italian culture, you have just to basically create like a digestif in a sense. So it is a digestif. We are going to then use a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. So we got 2, half, 1/4 of cherry juice, 1/4 of ginger simple syrup. This one is a ginger liqueur. It's sweet. It's got a little bit of alcohol. It's what we have on hand. Does a great job. It's got that little spiciness to it. And then you want to do some sort of a bitters. We are going with Crude's Bitterless Marriage. It is a combination of, it says hibiscus, lavender, and oak. Now we have multiple ones that we could choose from, and we were out of the orange and fig. I think that might have been the perfect one to go with it, but we were out. So this one actually does a pretty good job of pairing with this Amaro. So we're gonna use this Bitterless Marriage. All we gotta do is stir it up in our stirring glass, very similar to an old fashioned or a Manhattan, right? This is not a shaken drink. This is a stirred drink. We've got our 2 ounces of whiskey. Great whiskey. Again, it doesn't matter what kind of whiskey you have. Rye would be great. Bourbon might change it a little bit. We have a bourbon. I think it's a great whiskey though. We are doing a 1/2 ounce of an Amaro. Traditionally, it calls for an Averna. We don't have an Averna. We got this Luxardo. It tastes great. And look at that color. It's so dark. It's like motor oil, but it tastes better, trust me. In that goes. Now you see how that creates such a deep color, right? Then we do our 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Again, the big knife for a little job. This lemon, oh, it doesn't even fit. It's too big. Oh no, I'll make it fit. It will fit in this hole.
Oh.
In it goes, there it goes. There's about a 1/2 ounce. We're gonna do the 1/4 ounce of cherry juice. You can use whatever you want, type of cherry juice. This is a Bada Bing bourbon cherry. One, it's fun to say, Bada Bing. Secondly, it's great tasting. You can find this at many of your liquor stores. In that goes, bam, there it goes. So that is our 1/4 ounce. We got a 1/4 ounce of our, well, it's a little shy of a 1/4 ounce, let's just be honest with you. It's a little less, but that's okay. It's the ginger liqueur. And then we've got, it's gonna say 2 dashes of bitters. I'm gonna call that one dash. If you ever do a dash of like Angostura, there's 2 dashes. Just kind of like a spritz, right? Let's stir this up. Smells great. I love the smell. Now, I'm gonna put this in a cool little glass like that. You can serve it in a martini glass. You can serve it over a big rock. I would not serve it over a bunch of little ice. It's not that kind of cocktail. It's more along the lines of like an old fashioned in a sense, or a boulevardier. It's a very complicated, ingredient rich, not complicated, more ingredient rich cocktail. Because let's be honest, how many people really have all these things at one point in time? We literally lucky. I was searching as to what can I make with ginger, lemon, and an Amaro, and sure this came out. It's a Witty Comeback. It's that ha ha ha. It's a comeback, right? It's exactly what it is, right? That's why it's a Witty Comeback. It's you go, oh, I got this, and what can you make? Oh, a Witty Comeback. That's what you can make. Look at that, guys. It's dark, it's delicious. It's gonna be amazing. Let's give this a try. Bonus round try. Oh, it smells so good. It's got that nice herbal note to it. It's got a nice lemon note to it. Ooh, that is a complex cocktail. Now, I will be honest, this is not for everybody. If you like sweet drinks, not you. This is not for you. If you like bitter drinks, kind of more up your alley. If you like Manhattans, this might be pretty good. It's got a lot going on. It's kind of hard to describe. I genuinely think you should give it a try. If you don't have all the ingredients, that's okay. Substitute some stuff. Figure it out. That's part of the fun, right? We're just making stuff half the time. To be honest with you, that's how majority of cocktails are made. People just try things and they go, well, that worked. And then they put a name to it. This is a Witty Comeback. Who knows how this was made? The name has no identity of what's in it, right? But we love it. It is the bonus to our holiday. So I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I hope you guys had that little bonus that kind of kept things going for you. If you like this, hit that subscribe, smash that like button, give us a comment. If you liked watching this, even if it was for 30 seconds, say hi, because I'll say hi back. Well, I hope you had a Merry Christmas, and if you have a second Christmas like our family, we look forward to that. Probably have something for you too. But anyways, till then, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever it is. Enjoy the day.